What's going on, guys? Today we're here in Anacortes and we're about to head over to Burlington to get a new drone, and then we're gonna mess around in Anacortes. I don't even know what's gonna go on, what's gonna go down. We're just gonna head to Best Buy and we'll see you guys when we get there. Chief's wanting some attention right now, but let's get going to Best Buy. Straight to Chief's Dome. What's going on, guys? We just made it to Best Buy, as you guys saw. Right now, we're gonna go inside and get a new drone. It's called the DJI Spark. Now, guys, I'm not gonna bring my big camera in because it looks a little bad. So I'll be switching to the Spy Cam. So yeah, let's go to the Spy Cam. All right, guys. So we have the Spy Cam now. Are gonna head into Best Buy. How you feeling about this, Chief?
Feeling good, man.
Feeling great. Alright. Let's get it. Let's go. Alright. So right now. Oh, what do you know? Found it. There it is. It's her. Alright, guys, so we officially found the drone we wanted to get. It's right there. That's the one that we want to get. I'm just kidding. This one. That's the one. It's gonna be the one. Alright, guys, so currently I'm trying to find a Best Buy associate to help me. Tristan, you think he can take the Spy Cam? The bag from Best Buy. Now, I don't know. We might get some food, or we might just head straight back to Anacortes and unbox this and make a sick video downtown, or on the beach, or at my house, or wherever we decide to.
Hi there, how's it going?
It's pretty good. How about yourself?
I'm doing pretty good, man. What can I get started for you?
Go for it. I don't know what I want here. Can I get one of those as well?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys. Have a good day.
And so. What's up, guys? As you guys know, I'm here with my boy Tristan. We just got back from Best Buy and we're about to unbox my new DJI Spark drone. Make sure you guys stay tuned for later in the video when we test the drone out around Anacortes. But right now, let's get to the unboxing. Yo! In the Best Buy bag, we got DJI Spark. Here's the box for it. Got some extra propellers. An intelligent battery. I figured that it would be a good option to get another battery. I'm gonna put that right there. Here. And then I just got 2 extra SD cards. Okay, we're gonna start off. Guys, I'm having So guys, we just opened up the Spark box. Look at it. It looks amazing. Alpine white color. And there's the camera. It's really small, but I really like it because it's really portable. The drone is currently charging to wait to fly it until it's all charged. And then we're gonna get some hopefully pretty cool clips. So I think we'll just see you guys when the drone's charged. Yeah. All right guys, so we're just here trying to waste time while the drone charges. So Tristan came up with the idea where he wants to, found this pumpkin in my bedroom. He just wants to throw it. All right, Chief, where are you gonna throw it, brother? No clue? He's trying to hit the end of that log. He's trying to hit the end of the log or the rail. We could go down there. Real road trick. Let's go down here. This is pumpkin, I don't know why. It's gonna be fun. Wasn't it exciting? Eat one, I dare you, for the vlog. Yeah, Chief! He actually did it. That was a little, whoa, what the? Chief, I suggest you watch out, buddy. Yeah! Guys, legendary. Alright guys, so we're currently going into town to test out the drone for the first time. Anyways, we'll catch you guys when we get into wherever we're going. See you there. Alright guys, so we just made to the skate park in Anacortes. We decided it's kind of windy out today actually, and I don't want to take the drone over the water when it's this windy. You can't tell here because we're in the middle of the town, but if you went to the ocean, you'd tell. Anyways, we're gonna get all this stuff unloaded and then we'll see you guys once we get over there getting the drone up in the air. Yup. So guys, we're here just about to get the drone up in the air. There's my little Spark. Tristan's riding the boost board around, so let's see what this bad boy can do.
Digits on the beat.
Alright guys, so the drone just came down. Hope you guys enjoyed those shots. Anyways. Oh! Yeah! That was a good line. Whew. It's pretty chilly out here. But there's a squad. There's a crew out. There's a crew out tonight. We're just flying the drone. Connor's here. What's up, Connor? Alright guys, so we're just about to head out here at the skate park. While we're at the skate park though, we met one of our #1 fans, John Henry. It was very nice to meet you, man. Shout out to your mom too. Thank you for bringing him here to meet us every day almost. That's awesome. So anyways guys, I think with that being said, we're just gonna meet you guys back at my house. So have a good one. What's up guys? I'm home after having a great time at the skate park. I've been here editing. Overall guys, I'm really happy that I bought the DJI Spark drone. It was really good priced for what it produced, I think. I mean, so if you guys are just starting out looking for a drone, I definitely recommend that drone. Great first drone to get. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you drop a like and a sub, and we will catch you guys next time.